Hello, my name is Gerrard. I'm making a chair. I'm making a chair. Making a chair first. This, 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 and this, and this, and okay, this, and this, and uh, and, and this, this, and this, and this. Okay. Okay, I need a S to it. Okay, guys, I'm making an S to it. Hmm. S to it. S to it. Mhm. Hmm. 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 I wait first. Okay. Yes. 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 Block. I'm going to block this one. Let's do it this time. And and going down, guys. And going to here and here and here. And I need to this 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 and this and this and this and this. Good. This. Ah, okay. This. Uh, uh, this. This. And this. And this. And this. Hmm. Yes. Yes. This one. Okay. I need to astute. Astute. Hmm. Okay. Need to first add this one. This and this. 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 Hmm. And this. 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 Okay. Astute. Nice. This one. This. And this. And this. And this. And this. And this. This. Astute. Nice. This. Uh, this. 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 And this. And this. And this. Okay. Astute. Astute. Hmm. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Idea is delete it. No. E Oh, this, and this, and this, and this. Oh. Okay, and this, and this. Okay, this time. Okay, we are making a chair and this and this three. Nice, nice. Okay, guys, here's my chair. Okay, here's my chair. Okay, I need to okay okay. Thank you guys. This is my chair. Already finished. Bye. Pause. Nah, selanjutnya kita akan membuat lubangnya di sini. Oke. Kita akan membuat lubangnya di sini. Lubangnya di sini. Dan ini kan kalau ini kan kayak polos banget ya. Harus coba cari cara buat lubangnya. Atau nyatuin warnanya sama pesta ini. Lubangnya di sini. Lubangnya di sini. Terus kita akan dari sini ya. Oke, kita akan scale guys. Scale ya, scale dan ini di sini. Terus yang ini di sini atau ini ke besaran guys. Yang ini di sini. Yang ini. Nah, yang ini di sini. Kita akan pilih kita akan kita akan scale yang kayak gini, terus kita akan lubanginnya klik Boolean, klik ini terus ini, terus kita akan kita akan Boolean, klik ini, terus ini, ya, yang ini, terus kita klik ini, terus kita akan ulangi lagi ya, klik ini, yang ini deh, yang ini satu guys. Nah, yang ini kita akan lubangin kayak gini. Nah, sudah jadi guys, tuh kita akan lihat.
Satu lagi Gerrard. Itu lubangnya kebesaran, kecilin lubangnya Gerrard.
Oke. Kita akan buat lubang lagi guys. Kita akan scale dari sini. Oh, kita akan geser dari sini. Terus kita cut. Gini guys ya guys. Tuh, kita akan lihat ya dari sini semuanya. Oke. Kita akan add box lagi guys. Ya, kita akan